In this video, we'll take you through the setup of your new vívoactive 5 smartwatch and introduce you to some features you're going to love. Next, we'll walk through how to start an activity. You can customize the activities available on your watch in the Garmin Connect app or on your watch. First, press the top button to access the Activities and Apps list. To add individual activities to your favorites list, tap Edit. Then scroll down and tap the plus sign. Here, tap the activities you want to add to your favorites list. To edit your favorites list, tap the activity and hold to reorder or remove it. When you're ready to start an activity, go back to the main list. Swipe through the options and select an activity. If the activity requires GPS, go outside and wait until a signal is acquired. Press the top button again to start the activity timer and begin recording data. Depending on the activity, you can use the bottom button for different functions, such as marking a lap or moving on to the next set. While you work out, swipe from left to right to return to your watch face and view glances. Simply press the bottom button or swipe from right to left to get back to the activity screen. When you're finished, press the top button to stop the timer. You'll see a recap of your activity data and the option to resume your activity. You can also choose to either save the activity or discard it. Once saved, the activity will be synced to the Garmin Connect app for you to view in detail. Your smartwatch comes with safety and tracking features when connected to your compatible smartphone set up in the Garmin Connect app. There are two main features: incident detection and assistance. The incident detection feature automatically sends a message with your name and live location to your preset emergency contacts when your smartwatch detects that an incident has occurred during select outdoor activities. Assistance allows you to send a message with your name and live location to your emergency contacts. To activate assistance, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds, which brings up the control menu. Keep holding for another few seconds and you'll see a prompt to message your emergency contacts. Now you're ready to get out there and get moving. Thanks for watching.